Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted contacts from your Android device. So if you've deleted contacts to anyone within your phone within the past 30 days or so, and you would like to recover those contacts, then this is the easiest way how you can go about recovering those contacts. So the first way I'm going to show you guys is by simply doing so by checking this on your phone. So you want to go ahead and scroll up and you want to go to settings here on your phone. So what you want to do, guys, within settings you want to scroll all the way down to where it says device care, and from here you will be able to see that is mentioned storage, memory, and app protection. So once you click on device care, you will see your storage. So you want to click on storage, and from here you will see trash. You want to go ahead and click on trash, and within the trash you will see that you have files, photos, contacts, and even calendar. So if you click on contacts, you'll be able to see the contact that you have deleted. So if you have a bunch of contact there, you can simply click on that and you can get the option to either permanently delete it or simply to hit restore. Now the next way how you can go about checking this, guys, if you have your Google account connected to your device, then you will be able to most likely have those contacts sync within Google. So if you deleted it, you are able to find this within Google as well. So you want to scroll down, guys, to where it says Google on your phone. You will find the Google services. Tap on Google, and from the top there you want to click and manage your Google account. Now once you do so, scroll across at the top there to where it says people and sharing, and you want to tap on that. You will see contacts in the list there as well. So you want to click on contacts there and you will see the bunch of contacts as well, and you will be able to see all your contacts there. In order to find the ones that are deleted, click on the burger menu on the uppermost left hand side, and from there you want to go to trash. And from here as well, you will be able to find the deleted contacts that are there. And as you can see, it says deleted from Samsung. So you'll be able to know that this was deleted as well. So you just need to click on it, and from here you can also recover it, and you can also delete it forever. And that's it, guys. That's all you can easily go about to recover deleted contacts. The two easiest ways that you can recover your deleted contacts on your Android device.